Man, this dude is staring at me like I'm weird.
So I want to see if we can get this video to a whopping 1 like, and it's currently July 7th, I think. So I want to see if by the end of July I can make it to 10 subscribers. If you're stopping in for the first time, like I know probably most of you are, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you feel like it, or don't. You ain't got to subscribe to garbage if you don't want to.
Good morning and welcome to a new day. This week we're going to be doing a few small projects that will be upgrading the first equipment. So I really only got one stop today. I'm hoping I can pick up everything I need at Home Depot, which should just be 8-foot board and a strainer, and that should be it. And we should be able to do a pretty good amount of upgrades from that. So let's go. Alright, so I finished up in there. I was not able to find both of the things I needed. I got the 2x4 that I needed, which you can see it kind of barely fits in the Durango. It goes all the way back to the back and comes right up to the dash. That's a good 8 inches. I mean, it barely fits in here. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is head up to Walmart and see if I can pick up the strainer. I'm going to be using the strainer to try and make a little bit finer of that molding sand. So I got the strainer that I needed, and I'll explain why it's a kitchen strainer when we get home. Let's go. We are back home now. I got a dog in the window. We got the people here. Guess I'm gonna pop it up on the workbench where, oh no, looks like it'll fit right there. Actually, beautiful. Crap. Had the Durango and they could reverse. I mean, I had the e-brake on, so I guess they were like fighting each other, and it was fine. The e-brake and reverse were fighting each other, and the hill, I guess, because we're on a hill a little bit. So, the kitchen strainer. I lost my kitchen strainer. Where'd it go? Stupid thing didn't blow up going down the highway, did it? Bet your butt it did. You gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Okay, no, we're good. It's over here. Whew. I thought I just lost a whole $1.04. Because of its shape and stuff, I'll be able to take like a Gatorade bottle or something. Like I already have one over here. You can just pull this thing right out of the package. Red start up. Put that thing right down in there, pour my sand in it, and then once I get the finer stuff out, dump it in whatever bucket. And this thing was only $1.04, including tax, as opposed to some of the more name brand ones that were almost $10. So yeah, just pretty much why I did a sink strainer instead of one of the handheld ones. Okay, update guys, I have lost my phone. It's somewhere close, because it's still connected to the Durango via Bluetooth. I just don't know where I set it. I don't even remember getting it out of the pocket. Oh, no, I know where I put it. Just staring at it. It's been about 2 days since I've actually gotten this piece of wood, and it's the everything. Other than that, I'm taking this and turning it into 2 8-inch boxes. Kind of like this one. It'll just be bigger on the latches, so it'll be like a 2-piece thing. So I have everything measured and not cut yet, obviously. You see, I have these pieces are gonna be the size. These are each 9.5 inches long because the 2x4 itself is 1.5 inches thick. So what's happening is from this space to this space, right there, that'll be where another piece of 2x4 like this one, you'll pick it up, turn it sideways, stick it down right here, and put some screws into the bottom side, and then you'll take another piece, turn it upside, and shove it on the side of this piece, and then you'll end up building all the way around and have an 8-inch hole on the inside. So I have all 8 of them already drawn out, and then these 2 pieces down here are each 6 inches apiece, and they are going to be the latch. Alright, so one of the other upgrades I want to do to the furnace is more precise sand.
I'm making stuff. Is that descriptive? One box. Alright, so I had to stop for a second while building those boxes because I was getting frustrated with them a little bit. I couldn't get the 2 boxes to actually sit flat, which means when they sat on top of each other, they wouldn't actually seal off really well, and they kind of wobble, which would end up distorting my molds and could probably, I imagine, cause problems with the actual metal. Once it runs between them, it could like fill up and then start to, run between the 2 actual boxes. I guess if I had enough, it could spill out the side and down them. So I wanted to fix that, and I was getting frustrated with it, so I just had to stop, set it down, come back another day, and that's what I did today. I've actually got them, I put back together, and they're flat now. My original latch design doesn't really work for me. I was having a hard time getting one to mount anyways, and getting it to mount securely so it wouldn't budge. I couldn't really get it to work that well with just those 2 pieces of wood overlapping, so we ended up running to Home Depot and got some actual latches. These are 2 packs, they're black, they come with screws, and they're not gold. So that's good. You go put stuff together. Drop the piece. Alright, the boxes are complete. We have 2 joined molding boxes. Kind of fancy focus. Little design up going up here, kind of balanced looking, I guess. We got 1 lash on each side right here. On all 4 corners. Holds it together really well.
let me check it around. I've already dropped it actually, and it's perfectly fine. Ain't moved, ain't budged. Sits level. Doesn't bounce when you pop a corner. You just flip up all the latches, and boom, comes right apart. Top piece, bottom piece. Now the next step for the furnace upgrade, before I cast my new idea that I'm wanting to make, is more sand sitting in that bucket right there. I do not have enough to fill up that container, so I have to make more. There is no excuse. I have to make more. I'm not going to show that because it's incredibly boring. I already showed a little bit of the filtering process, or I will. I don't really know at what point it's going to go in the video. Sorry about my finger. But I'm not going to show that. I'm just going to do it between videos, and the next video should be me actually casting that new piece. I'm not going to say what it is yet, because I like surprises. I imagine other people like surprises. So that should be it. The box is done, and now it's just cleanup time.